While I was working on the flooring, my dad actually helped redo this box up here. It's got some cracks right here on both sides. The face actually wouldn't stay connected at the top. It was sagging so bad. There's little clips that just put pressure on the back side. The face frame is just attached to that box. But the aluminum box was actually coming apart. They just used staples, and so staples were coming out. So we pulled it out, put a few screws in where stuff was coming loose, and then I kind of straightened out the areas where it was cracking. Put some rivets in, one here and one up there. And there's a metal bracket behind it. It actually came out of the track up here as well. On my 70, these are actually held in with rivets. And so I just drilled some holes and put rivets up there. And so this is not sagging anymore. This is not all buckled like it was. And the face frame is like super secure now. So this is one of the other projects that I've been working on. The nightstands were in pretty bad shape. The one on my wife's side was really bad. I actually had to replace a lot of the wood. This whole side piece on hers had to be replaced because it was just full of water damage. And then this small one right here as well. And then it just had to be put back together. It was pretty tore up. And then the countertop on these, they're a Formica countertop. And oh man, I'll put that right by the ants. And the Formica has a particle board backer. Because the tops are in such bad shape. Again, hers was in worse shape than this side. This side really just has some swelling and the particle board's kind of falling apart. On hers, it was swollen so bad that the Formica edge was separating from the Formica top. And then like right over here in this area, it was covered in mold. So since I have to replace hers and I want them to match, I'm going to go ahead and replace this one as well. So I'm just going to pull the top off. I've already made new ones. I didn't really film any of that. I just took a piece of corian and made a template with the old ones, and then cut out the corian with a jigsaw, and then just sanded the edge smooth with I actually used a belt sander, and then I followed that with an orbital, and I went ahead and sanded over the whole thing. As soon as I get this top pulled off, I'll have to cut off some of these staples because they're going to be coming through into this top. So I'll have to cut some of those off or pull them, one of the two, but I'll probably just cut them off. And then put this nightstand back in place. And once it is in place, I'll glue the new tops on. I'm just going to silicone them on. All right, I've got it pulled off. This is what we're left with, just a bunch of staples. So I'm gonna get my angle grinder and cut them off. silicone on there. Here's the new top. Look at that mess.